This video is about my first apartment for rental. So you can see here, there's already 2 shops that we are advertising for rental as shops, but the feedback on this one, although it's already, the space already, that they would rather have apartments and asking me if I have any cheap apartments for rent, especially the people from the UK who wants to get out of the UK. So I decided that these 2 shops won't be long to be converted into a small 1-bedroom apartment. So this is what I plan to do. If you see here, this is gonna be blocked off and this is gonna be the entrance. Oh, sorry, I got the wrong. So this is the entrance. From this pathway you'll be looking at here to step on here, and this is gonna be the front door. Then this is gonna be the block off here as the bedroom. So there'll be a door here, but then block off, and then there'll be the big window will be over in this side. And this is all be tiled, and the toilet and shower will be on this area. If you see that line there, there'll be a small toilet and bathroom or shower, and this is going to be the kitchen dining area. This is the window that I'm going to put up there on this side here on the wall, which is going to be blocked off, and then the ceiling will be properly put in with proper ceiling, suspended ceiling, and a little window for the kitchen dining area will be put in there. And so this is going to be ready between 5 to 10 weeks time. It's all be finished, painted, toilet be done, and it's ready for rental. So you can see that it's much of the space is already done, and water connection will be installed. It's already applied for, and as of the moment, if the water connection, which is just new around this area, will not be available when this apartment is ready, it's temporarily using our own water supply that we're using right now, and it will be submitted together with its own electric connection. But then again, it's no problem with electric because it's always been sub-meter, because we already have ready installed electric for, like, one for Jonathan and Susan, one for the shops, but it can have its own meter for it only be paying its own usage. Now, eventually, I'm planning to build former complex like this on the area that you are looking at here. So you can see that we are not continuing with the digging yet. It's a yet because it's just a order from the city government, from the mayor, that was suspended here in Cebu City, and there was an order before he left that there will be no earth moving. But we are very hopeful, and all of us are very hopeful, that eventually this will all be lifted, because election is coming soon and they need the boats to keep them in. So the industry of the earth moving and the earthworks are all dead as of the moment, but if they're running for mayor, they have to put it back. So that's what we're hoping for, and we'll continue on clearing out this site. This is about 6,000 square meter all in all around here, so you can imagine how many apartments I could build. So this is the first one that you're looking at. This is the first one for my rental, and this will be available, like I said, 5 to 10 weeks time for only $160 a month, and you pay for your electric and you pay for your water consumption. So if you don't use much, you don't pay much. So, and you are right there next to me, right on the road area, so it's not hidden part that you have to go on sidewalks, rather, to find the apartment is just right there. You can see it from the main road of the area. So whoever is interested, you can email me and then we can reserve it for you. Thank you.